You're watching an episode of Blacklist Builds, and in today's episode, we're replacing the stock B8 round steering wheel with a custom-made B8.5 flat bottom one from Ask Carbon. Before disconnecting the battery to ensure a safe install, what we're going to do first is insert the key, therefore unlocking the steering wheel so we can turn it freely while the battery is disconnected. After disconnecting your battery, turn your headlights to the on position to ensure electricity is completely discharged. At the back of the steering wheel, at the 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock positions, there are two panels that must be removed in order to gain access to the two T30 torque screws holding the airbag in place. In order to remove the airbag completely, we have to disconnect the main airbag harness by pulling back on this green plunger. Next, disconnect the steering wheel button harness. Using a 12mm triple square socket, we're going to remove the main bolt holding the steering wheel in place. On the B8.5 steering wheel, the airbag is held in place by two clips. You can use a screwdriver to pry these clips off to pull the airbag out. The steering wheel and airbag ordered from Ask Carbon are plug and play. No modification necessary. After removing the old steering wheel off the steering column, you can align the new steering wheel with these alignment lines. Next, use a new main steering wheel bolt and torque it to these specifications. After torquing down the steering wheel, connect the airbag and steering wheel button harnesses. Before pushing in the airbag and clipping it into place, ensure that the wiring harnesses are tucked away. If your steering wheel has the LED module, turn your car on to the accessory position and insert the OBD transmitter. With that, we've completed the steering wheel install.